Hello everyone, Chris Gibson, TSTC Vushi. Doing some exploring today, checking out the pyramid at the Great Pyramid in the Nile Valley Sim in Second Life. Really fun little place. Do a sim search, use your keyword of pyramid in your VLS HUD, and come check it out for yourself. It's really a fun place. One little hint, watch out for trapdoors. I'm here today to introduce you to a new feature we've included with the Vushi Learning System, version 2.2, which was released at the end of September. The feature is an activity library. You'll notice now that when you go to My Libraries, you're going to have an additional option called My Activity Library. And if you're saying to yourself, boy, this looks kind of familiar, well, yeah, it should. We built it very closely to replicate how the question library functions. So there's hopefully not a lot of overhead on adopting the activity library. So you can do a lot of similar things as the question library. You can now, the activity library gives us the ability to package those activities we've been using for our classes. Now, I know some of you are saying, well, Chris, I could create activities before. And you could. What we've done with the activity library is to give you a single resource or a location to save those activities to, instead of making them where they're dependent just on a class, so that you go to a class and create the activity. You can create the activity one time, save it to your activity library, and then reuse that activity however you see fit. So let's do that. I'm going to go to my library and search by keyword. I created an activity, a little survey, class evaluation, and there it is. It was in my library, session survey. Now remember, I'm still in my activity library. I have not gone to my course. And I have the option at the bottom to add the activity to a class. I'm going to add this activity to the Getting to Know Your VLS. Okay. I'm going to leave it the same name. It is an evaluation, so I'm going to select assessment as the activity type. That way the users will only be able to take it one time. I'm okay with the date and times. The rest of the settings for this activity look good. I'm going to select the option at the bottom to add the activity. Once I've done that, now you'll notice the system knows now that you've added this activity. It has now switched us into the class that we wanted to add the activity to. It's verifying it added it, and now you'll notice under assessments, I now have a new activity, session survey, and it's as soon as the begin date starts, it'll be available for my students to go in, take the session survey, and let me know how we did for the class. So that is the activity library. Now get out there, teach something, learn something, have fun, and as always, welcome to the Vushi Nation.